Top 10. Best Dive Knives. Diving can require a lot of gear from masks to fins to dive computers. It can start to get expensive. Number 10. Cressi Lima Tactical. Carries a compact design. A sheath wrapping the blade adds security that this knife will be safe in use underwater. A locking mechanism allows this sheath to be released using only one hand. This design allows it to be easily attached to a BCD or a gauge hose, which means non-slip grip. Compact design. Cutting small ropes or fishing lines. Number 9. Scubapro Mako Titanium blade, which means that while being incredibly durable and strong, it is also of the most lightweight materials for making knives. This type of blade is also extremely corrosion resistant, which makes it highly desirable as a marine knife. This knife is built to last and features a conventional edge. Corrosion resistant. Cutting notch. Lightweight design. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Dive Knives or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Cressi Borg. Diving knife is highly versatile. The two colors accent the knife nicely while giving them more visibility. Cressi has been making the best dive knives since 1946, and has a reputation of excellence. This blade uses Japanese 304 stainless steel, which is rust resistant. High quality blade. Techno-polymer grip. Sheath and strap included. Number 7. US Divers Titanium. Serrated top edge as well as a line cutter. You are guaranteed to get the most out of this knife. It has a quick release mechanism which makes it easy to use, even with only one hand. Coming with a stainless steel butt cap, you can ensure that your knife will stow safely and is there to protect you. 2-year warranty. Stainless steel butt cap. Leg straps included. Number 6. Cressi Scorpion dive knife. Quality in mind. With one side being a straight edge, the other is serrated, which allows it to be able to cut almost anything with ease. It even comes with a line cutter notch, which is most useful in the marine world. It is available in both sharp or blunt tips, which provides you the versatility. Corrosion resistant. Blunt and sharp tip option. Easy release sheath. Number 5. ProMate Barracuda Sharp. Barracuda diving knife is a high-quality knife that provides a serrated and flat edge for all your cutting needs. A high-quality sheath and strap will secure it to any part of your body with ease. This is a professional knife that can be fully disassembled, making it a breeze to clean and maintain. Hammer on handle. Serrated and flat edges. Sheath and strap included. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Dive Knives or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Tusa FK940T X-Pert 2. Coming with a strap and full sheath, you are able to strap this to your leg, arm, or ankle. This ensures quick access while keeping it out of the way. The titanium blade will not rust, pit, or get dull even in the harshest environments. Serrated and flat edge. Sheath and leg strap included. Able to be disassembled. Number 3. ProMate Titanium Scuba blade. This knife has a sleek design that is sure to stay sharp and strong no matter how you use it. Utilizing titanium rather than the typical stainless steel gives you a much lighter product than competing knives. The easy grip handle combined with the lightweight design makes this knife easy to use. Easy grip handle. Corrosion resistant. High-end material. Number 2. Aqualung Squeezelock SS. The blade is made out of 304 stainless steel and is rust resistant. One side is flat while the other is serrated, which provides full functionality. A quick release system involves minimal movement and only requires a squeeze of the handle. Attach this to the inside of your thigh. Quick release mechanism. Compact design. Serrated and flat edges. Number 1. Spyderco Atlantic Salt Trust. Materials, and well thought out design. A serrated blade will cut through any material and will stand the test of time. Made out of high-end steel that is guaranteed to not rust. On top of that, a 14mm hole is bored out and allows you to easily strap it to your suit. Will not rust. High-end steel blade. One-hand capabilities. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Dive Knives or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.